guys, welcome back. Today I'll be showing you how to do this quick and simple homemade banana protein deep conditioner. As you guys can see, my hair is damaged and extremely dry, so this deep conditioner will basically add moisture back into my hair. So we're using one banana, and we're just going to break up the banana into smaller pieces to blend. Then you're going to add half cup of water and blend it until it's smooth. Now we're just going to strain this mixture to get rid of the banana pulps. Here I'm just using a spoon to basically speed up this process. Now we're going to add the strained mixture back into the blender, then add the egg and then the olive oil. Now we're going to blend this for just a few seconds, less than 10 seconds, just to mix everything together. And here we have the banana protein deep conditioner. Let's get started. So I detangled my hair. I'm going to be working with sections, 4 different sections. And here I'm just saturating my hair with the mixture, starting at the ends first because my ends are really dry. So I'm making sure that the ends are saturated properly, then moving on to the roots and then to the rest of my hair. And I'm just combing through the mixture just to make sure that everything is evenly distributed. Then I'm going to be twisting it and putting it up into a bantu knot. Basically I'm going to just repeat this process with the rest of my hair. The remaining mixture that I have left over, I'm just going to pour it into my hair and massage it into the roots. Now I'll be using this plastic cap to cover my hair. Then I'm going to be using my satin bonnet over this just to trap some heat so this can properly penetrate through my hair. And I'll be leaving this mixture in my hair for about 30 minutes to an hour. So you can see that my hair is really looking much better than it did before. It's moisturized and it's shiny thanks to the olive oil. And yeah, my hair is moisturized and not dry, and you know, it looks nice and healthy. So yes, that's about it. Thank you guys for watching this video. So don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe.